Hello everyone. Today we are going to see and we are going to demonstrate the Office package. So it's a basic one, Office package. Everyone uh, we know very well about how to work with this kind of Office packages. It is very easy one, and it is a important one because so all the things, it may be a documentation, it may be a calculation, it may be a presentation, so all those things comes under in a single package. So it is a user friendly one, it is a easy access one, it is a flexible one, so every user we can easily access Office packages. Okay, so this is the competency. So already we get seen the competency many times. Okay, I just go through this and otherwise I will skip this one. So this is the fifth course outcome. We have to use some Office software for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So this is the session learning outcome. After completing this session, you must apply the Office productivity tools to create formatting, testing, formatting a text, or editing some documents using some spreadsheet or presentation effectively, and you have to demonstrate some advanced features of the documentation with mail merge, formula, chart, everything. Okay, then you have to design some well structured, some organized presentations using different kinds of animations and transfers. So all those things you will be learn after end of this. So first thing, it's a productivity software. Office packages here. Productivity software. Why we call this is a productivity software? So it's productive. So whatever we want, whatever you want. Suppose nowadays, whatever we want, whatever question, whatever answers we need for a question, immediately we'll go to the AI tools. Otherwise, we immediately will search with the Google search. Okay, so immediately we can get the answer. But when we have a system, when we need to complete a small work, we can definitely choose the Office package one. It may be a document. For example, I want to write a letter, which means I want to write a letter and send as a soft copy. Okay, so nowadays it is not important to write in a paper. Okay, so definitely I will open a document, type the content, then I will save the particular document in as a Word document file, then I will send it as a mail. Okay, so it saves our time. Okay, that's what we are mentioning. Otherwise, that's what we are calling a productivity software. So it's not a productivity to product yourself, and also it to produce something. Okay, so here we are giving some interesting thing, like how the productivity software is designed to help the students, teacher, as well as a student. For the concern of teacher, so I am the teacher. Okay, so from my concern, how the Office productivity is work means, so already told you. Suppose I want to convey something through a letter. Okay, then I have preferably choose a document. Okay, suppose I want to create a report. How I have to create a report? Absolutely, we can choose the Office package. Suppose I want to computing a grades from my students, marks or grades. So definitely I choose the Excel. Suppose I want to give you some material. Okay, maybe in this class material like a PowerPoint. Okay, then definitely I am choosing the PowerPoint present. Okay, so that's what we have called this one as a productivity software. So it is here I have mentioning how it is supporting, how it will helpful for the teachers and students. Okay, similarly how it will support to the students. Suppose you are preparing a document for the project report. Okay, initially you have prepared in your documentation like your abstract or whatever it is, you have to copy all the things you have typed and alignment in a Word document one. Okay, after that only, after finalized only, you will convert it as a PDF. Okay, for preparing your project work. Okay, you can use Word document. Suppose you want to present a paper in a conference, definitely you have to choose with different kinds of presentations after like a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so this is the productivity software. So this productivity software includes different applications. Different applications. So what are all the applications are available in productivity software? Some word processing, some electronic spreadsheet, some presentation graphics, some multimedia software, some personal information management, different kinds of software suites, and different kinds of database. So these are all the applications which is included in our software productivity. Okay. In in case of Microsoft Office. Okay, so basically we are having all these applications like word processing. We are using Microsoft Word. Using some electronic spreadsheet, we are using MSC Excel, Microsoft Excel. Suppose it may be a presentation, we are using PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so database we are using Access. So different kinds of applications which is available in a single package. That is a productivity software. So the first one, word processing document. Okay, so it is very basic one. Nowadays many students from their uh, childhood level from the childhood level, the kids also, they can use the word processor. Okay, they can open the blank document, they can do something in that word document easily. We can easily access without getting any knowledge, we can easily access. Okay, so here I have pointed out something in this picture. Okay, for example, a newsletter. You want to prepare some news. Okay, uh, preferably you have to choose with the document only, word document. Suppose you want to write a letter, otherwise you have prepare a journal paper, otherwise you have prepare a lesson plan. For the faculty, they have prepare a lesson plan, they got as they have stored their marks in the table using different kinds of Excel sheet. Okay, so these all are the things. These all are the things how we are accessing. Otherwise, how we are using different kinds of productivity software. So the first one, MS Office, it is one of the most widely used applications software. Everywhere we are using this kind of MS Office one. It may be a office work, it may be a educational institution, it may be a public sector office, wherever we are using the MS Office one. So it is the most commonly used software, Microsoft Office. The another one most commonly used application is word processing, that is Microsoft Word. Many of the educational institutions, many of the offices, many of the companies, many of the people, those who are working in different kinds of software companies or different kinds of organization, okay, they need to work with the Microsoft Word to create different kinds of document, and they have to maintaining different documentation level. Okay, then the next one, what the power of a word processing? The power of a word processing in education sector. So we are in the education field. How the word processing will support, how the word processing will helpful for us means it is save your time. When I'm so in the beginning I told you clearly, suppose I want to convey something through the letter. Okay, it is very difficult to getting a paper and finding out a pen, then writing a letter, then I have to correct all those things, then forward to someone else. Okay, it is very different. So instead of that, I just open my laptop, okay, opening my Word document, then immediately whatever content I want to write it, immediately I have to type that content, then I have to save that particular document, then I have to send that particular document to someone else. So it is time consuming one, which means you have to save time in preparation of materials needed for teaching online. Suppose I want to give you some material. Okay, what I have to do, I will search some content from the internet. Okay, I just copied all those things, then I have pasted in a Word document. Finally, I have given some alignment and some final touch and everything. After that, neatly I have saved that particular document, then sent to you. So I can save my time to compare with writing manual. Okay, so it will take several times. Suppose it may be a 10 pages, suppose it may be a 15 pages of content. Okay, it takes several times to write complete 15 pages, but it is very easily to download the content and paste it in a single Word document, then convert it, then align the document neatly, then if finally I have to transfer to you. So you can receive my document, open the document, then you can refer my document clearly. Okay, so that's what we are telling. It is a time consuming one, which means it is save our time. Then it enhances a document appearance. So whenever we are compared with the handwritten document with that computer made document, we can feel the difference. We can feel the difference, and the appearance may show which is the best one. Okay, then we can allow sharing of document. So writing the document, I can share to a single people, but at the same time it may be a soft copy of document I can share many people in a single minute. Then we can collaborate the documents with someone else. So that's what in the education field it is very very important how the document is using with everyone. Okay, so these all are the important things of when we are using with this kind of word processing. Okay, so that's what it is called a productivity software.